Hey Mi fans, this is Tushar Mahajan from Xiaomi Global Mi Community. So recently POCO launched their new device POCO X3 NFC, which is a truly beautiful device from outside. But today let's have a look from inside. So let's get started. So there is latest POCO X3 NFC. Let's begin the teardown by turning off the device. Before moving further, I would like to warn you, please do not try to open the back panel of your device. In order to remove the back panel of your device, first you need to heat it and then remove it carefully. To avoid any issues, we have already done this. Now let's remove the back panel and take a closer look into it. Here, after removing the back panel, we have two screws, cooling system, 5000 mAh battery, then we have 64 megapixel camera, ultra wide camera, macro camera, and the depth camera. Here behind this chassis we got the speaker and the charging port, which we will take a look in a while. Now let's open the screws to have a look at the motherboard. Now after removing the screws, let's keep this upper shell aside. Here we have our main motherboard unit. Now let's carefully unplug all the cameras and let's keep them aside. Now let's have a closer look at these cameras. Now it seems like the main camera is attached at the back of the motherboard. We will look at this camera later. Now here is our front camera. Now to have a look at the primary camera, let's first remove all the cables and then let's have a look at the motherboard. This cable is for our fingerprint sensor, this one is for our battery, and now let's unplug these ones too. And this one is for our charging port. Let's move this one too. Now let's again remove the screws of the motherboard and the bottom charging panel. Now here is our motherboard. Now as you can see that the primary camera is attached at the back side of the motherboard. Let's remove it. Now here we got the SIM slot unit, and under this panel we have the powerful Snapdragon 732G. Let's open the charging panel and the speakers and also arrange all the parts in a proper manner. Now on the screen, as you can see, here are all the details and the marked parts of the device. That's pretty much for this video, guys. If you want to know more about this device, then make sure hang around for the upcoming videos. If you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest Xiaomi updates.